The air code CH38 on an air conditioner appears when the refrigerant or gas levels are low. This issue is often caused by a faulty expansion valve or leaks within the system. To fix the problem, start by checking the expansion valve. If it's faulty, replace it by switching the unit off, removing the housing of the indoor unit, locking the refrigerant lines, and disconnecting the expansion valve from the evaporator coil. Then, remove the faulty valve and secure a new one in its place, connecting it to the evaporator coils. After unlocking the refrigerant lines and reinstalling the housing, switch the unit back on. It's also crucial to inspect the unit for any leaks, which can be challenging to detect since gas is colorless and odorless. A helpful method to detect leaks is to use shampoo water along the lines, as bubbles will form where gas is escaping. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it's best to contact a trained technician for further troubleshooting.